Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Dear learners, you know the world problem. Coronavirus, school, college, madrasa are closed. We try develop our students online class, online Facebook class, online YouTube class, online school class, online madrasa class, and online college class. Online college class. I am Abul Qasim, assistant teacher of Chowk Bharne Siddiqui Alim Madrasa. I hope you read attentively. Dear students, welcome to our Chowk Bharne Siddiqui Alim Madrasa online class. Dear students, look at this picture and talk about it. And dear students, what do you see in this picture? Discuss your shared partner. Dear students, please discuss your shared partner. And yes, only one picture of one airplane. This is in this picture an airplane waiting on the airport, a man and woman. The plane was another extension at this back, entertained at this back. Only one picture, only two picture. This picture show inside a woman and man, and a man and woman. This passengers is brought to offer for passengers. A woman. This picture is an woman serving to this passenger, and the woman serving to passengers coffee or tea. And third picture. This is pictures. This immigration room. This pictures. This immigration room. And this immigration rooms are both passport, visa, check, her immigration officer. This third picture are passport, visa, check, her immigration officer. And this 1, 2, 3 picture, whole picture are, dear students, whole picture are, and yes, going on a foreign trip. Dear students, today's headlines is going on a foreign trip. Going on a foreign trip. G-O-I-N-G. Going on a foreign trip. F-O-R-E-I-G and foreign trip. T-R-I-P trip. That means বিদেশ ভ্রমণ. That means going on foreign trip মানে বিদেশ ভ্রমণ. Dear students, open your book, unit 6, lesson 1, and page number 60 or 61. Page number 60 or 61. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to this lesson. After we have studied this unit, and we will be able to this listen. Number one, read and understand text. Read and understand. U-N-D-E-R, understand. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Text. Number 2, ask and answering question. Answering questions. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, question. Number 3, listen. L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. and follow, 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 announcement, ANNOUN, CECEMENT, announcement. Number 4, write a main idea, MAIN, main idea, IDEA, write a main idea and short composition, short, short composition, COMPOSITION, short composition. Dear students, do you understand it? We will be able to study this unit. Only 1, read and understand text. Only 2, ask and answering question. Only 3, listen and follow announcement. Number 4, write a main idea and short composition. Dear students, do you understand it? And dear student, read attentively. Jara lives with her parents in London. Jara তার পিতামাতার সঙ্গে লন্ডনে বসবাস করে। They have come to Bangladesh to visit Jara aunts and uncle. তারা বাংলাদেশে তার চাচা চাচির বাড়ি ভিজিট করতে এসেছে, অর্থাৎ ভ্রমণ করতে এসেছে। She is very close to her cousins Mita. তার চাচাতো বোন মিতার সঙ্গে তার খুব ঘনিষ্ঠ সম্পর্ক। Both the families have visited many interesting places together in Bangladesh. বাংলাদেশে তারা উভয় পরিবারই বাংলাদেশের তারা বিভিন্ন জায়গায় ভ্রমণ করবে। It is great fun. এই ভ্রমণটা হবে খুব মজাদার। Then they decided that they will visit some place outside Bangladesh too. তারা সিদ্ধান্ত নিল যে বাংলাদেশের বাইরেও তারা ভ্রমণ করবে। They decided to go Thailand. তারা থাইল্যান্ডে যাবে। But Mita parents are too busy. কিন্তু মিতার বাবা খুব ব্যস্ত with their work, কাজে ব্যস্ত। So they could not go. সুতরাং সে যেতে পারবে না। However, যা হোক, Mita was going to them. মিতা উচ্ছ্বসিতভাবে যেতে চাইলো আর কি। মিতা, জারা and her parents are হযরত শাহজালাল ইন্টারন্যাশনাল এয়ারপোর্ট। মিতা, জারা এবং তার পিতামাতা হযরত শাহজালাল আন্তর্জাতিক বিমানবন্দরে গেল। They are waiting in the lounge. তারা বিমানবন্দরে যে বিশ্রাম কক্ষ রয়েছে সেই বিশ্রাম কক্ষে তারা অবস্থান করলো। মিতা ওয়াজ ভেরি এক্সাইটেড। মিতা খুব উচ্ছ্বাসিত। দিস ইজ হার ফার্স্ট টাইম টু বোর্ড এ প্লেন। এটাই তার প্রথম বিমানে ভ্রমণ। দে আর ফ্লাইং বাই বিমান বাংলাদেশ। তারা ভ্রমণ করবে বিমান বাংলাদেশে। মিতা ওয়াজ হোপিং, মিতা আশা করছিল টু হ্যাভ এ গ্রেট টাইম টু থাইল্যান্ড। মিতা আশা করছে যে তারা থাইল্যান্ডে যায় কি করবে। অ্যাজ দ্য ওয়েট, মিতা ওয়াজ হোপিং, মিতা আশা করছে গ্রেট টাইম টু থাইল্যান্ড, থাইল্যান্ডে গিয়ে তারা অনেক সময় পাবে। অ্যাজ দ্য ওয়েট, the two cousins start planning what the world do once they reach Bangkok. তারা দুই চাচাতো বোন চিন্তা ভাবনা করতে লাগলো যে ব্যাংককে গিয়ে তারা কি করবে। মিতা uncles bring from all of them to fill in before going though the immigration. মিতার চাচা ইমিগ্রেশন থেকে একটা ফর্ম নিয়ে এসলো, ইমিগ্রেশন ফর্ম। He give one to Mita and says, একটা মিতাকে দিয়ে বলল, you have to give some information about yourself in the form. তোমার নিজের সম্বন্ধে কিছু তথ্য এই ফর্মে পূরণ করো। The immigration officer will check your passport and stamp it. ইমিগ্রেশন অফিসার অর্থাৎ অভিবাসন অফিসার কি করবে, এটা চেক করবে এবং স্ট্যাম্প দিবে, সিল মারবে। and then you are ready to travel. তারপর তোমার ভ্রমণ প্রস্তুত হবে। মিতা, জারা and her parents start filling in the forms. মিতা, জারা এবং তার চাচা, তার পিতামাতা এই ফর্মটা পূরণ করতে শুরু করলো। Dear students, do you understand this lesson? Yes, okay, thanks. And dear students, this lesson is important keywords. You. And yes, thank you, dear students. Important keywords. Lounge. Important keywords. Lounge. Loung, lounge. Loung, lounge, that means Vishramagar. Vishramagar, lounge, that means Vishramagar, dear students. And now next, important keywords. Immigration, yes, immigration. IMMIG, RATION, immigration. Immigration, that means Obhibhashon. Obhibhashon. Dear students, and this lesson is another important keywords. Okay, thanks, dear students. This lesson is two important keywords, only one keywords, lounge, and two keywords, immigration. Okay, thanks, dear students. Dear students, look at the blackboard and answer the questions. Dear students, look at the blackboard and answer the questions. Why? WHY. Why is Mita, MITA, Mita excited? EXCITED, excited. Why is Mita excited? Dear students, you. And yes, thank you, dear students. Dear students, Mita, MITA, Mita is excited. EXCITED, excited. Mita is excited because BECAUSE, because she is going to a plane for the first time. Going to a plane, PLAIN, plane. Going to a plane for the first time. FIRST, first time. TIME, time. Dear students, and only one questions. Why is Mita excited? Why is Mita excited? Answering me, dear students. And this answer, Mita is excited because she is going to a plane for the first time. She is going to a plane for this first time. Dear students, thank you. And now next, dear students, right answer of tick mark. Right answer of tick mark. They are THY there. They are flying. FLY, flying. FLY, flying. ING, flying. THY, they are flying. FLY, ING, flying. By, BUY, by. They are flying by. Dear students, right answer tick mark. 1. Indian Biman. INDIAN Indian Biman. BIMAN Indian Biman. Number 2. Bangladesh Biman. BANGLADESH Bangladesh Biman. BIMAN Biman. Number 3. Sri Lanka Biman. Number 3. Sri Lanka Biman. SRILUNLANK Sri Lanka Biman. BIMAN Biman. The students, they are flying by. Only one Indian Biman, Bangladesh Biman and Sri Lanka Biman. And right answer me, dear students, right answer me of this tick mark. Dear students, yes. Dear students, Bangladesh Biman. Tick mark Bangladesh Biman. Thank you, dear students. Bangladesh Biman. And now next. And now next, dear students, homework. HOME home. HOME homework. WORK work. Homework. Homework. Write a short 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 composition COMPOSITION. Write a short composition. Write a short composition about your ABOUT, about your OIOUR, about your